Dr. Lee Gerstein has been integral to the success of Park City Hospital since his appointment to the hospital board of trustees more than 9 years ago. As its current board chair, he is focused on ensuring the support, success, and well-being of hospital employees and physicians. As a retired physician, Dr. Gerstein understands quality of care and safety are paramount, and as board chair, leads the hospital's efforts in maintaining high standards of care. His support of hospital staff during the COVID-19 pandemic has been exceptional. His driving concern has been to ensure caregivers and hospital leadership are given the tools they need to respond to the pandemic and feel fully supported by the governing board. Dr. Gerstein's efforts included creating funding opportunities that allowed the hospital to stock essential groceries for caregivers to take home after a long shift. His commitment has set the example for the rest of the board, who follow his lead. Dr. Gerstein received his undergraduate degree from Boston University, graduating magna cum laude and receiving the Alumni Association Award in biology. He received his medical degree from the Boston University School of Medicine and completed his anesthesiology residency with specialty training in cardiothoracic anesthesia at Tufts New England Medical Center. Following his training, Dr. Gerstein was hired to help establish a new cardiothoracic surgical program at the Leahy Clinic. Dr. Gerstein was also awarded an executive MBA by the UCLA Anderson School of Business. In addition to his service as a hospital trustee, Dr. Gerstein is also involved in many volunteer roles at the county, state, and national level. Most recently, he volunteered at the Summit County COVID-19 vaccination clinic. As a medical supervisor, he played a key role in refining the vaccination process. He was constantly looking for ways to improve the process to ensure the best and most efficient practices were being followed for the residents of Summit County. Even on the coldest and wettest of mornings, he was outside at the clinic, assisting county health department volunteers and community members seeking vaccination. In addition to his community work at Park City Hospital, Lee has served on the board of the Salt Lake Valley Hospitals and the Temple Har Shalom Board. He was also a member and past president of the board of the National Ability Center. For Dr. Gerstein, healthcare is all about how it impacts the individual. His caring for the one viewpoint is exemplified through his volunteer service with Angel Flight. Angel Flight is a nonprofit, volunteer-driven organization that arranges free, non-emergency air travel for children and adults with serious medical conditions. Dr. Gerstein donates his aircraft, piloting skills, and all flying costs to help families in need, enabling them to receive vital treatment that might otherwise be inaccessible because of financial, medical, or geographical limitations. Dr. Lee Gerstein is the type of leader who fosters success. He listens and engages the leadership team in thorough discussion. He appreciates those he works with, and then he invests time, resources, and effort to work toward the success of the project. These skills were paramount to the hospital and the community during the COVID-19 pandemic and will continue to serve the hospital well in the years ahead.